Yeah.
Then Ella.
You.
Ah,
Wait, tubig ba? Biscuit. Those biscuit with the peanut butter.
Yeah.
oh, ay Masabtan.
Mami!
It tastes like a cardboard.
Oh.
Ha? Saan man lasting? Wala nga yun. Wala pa gali.
Big, swallow. I mean, yeah. Okay.
Ha?
The egg is great.
The egg and ginamos.
Wait, let me see. Hi guys! Welcome to Bitokbitok University YouTube channel. Tungod kay nabantayan ako nga daghan kayo views o comment basta uban ako mga anak. So what sila choice appeal na pud sila karon. Come on kids, get in. My eldest Rusty John, the second child Raver John, and the youngest is Rafaela Julia. Just in kayo mo kabalo, RG na tanan, Rusty John, Raver John, Rafaela Julia. I don't know ano na RJ. And of course, Mommy! Come here, Mommy. So you know na what's the challenge?
Yeah, you told
Weird
us.
food combination. This looks disgusting.
Dito ka, Mami.
Non-yum.
Weird food combination. Nakita na ko ni sa YouTube, mo na kasagara. Natay food din eh. So ang food nato natay limited raman ta kay quarantine man ta. So ang nasa balera karon kay rice, egg, mango, dayon na ay dinungag nga saging,
Yes.
graham, tapos
Okay.
biscuit.
Okay, it's fine.
That's
I
it.
don't like this.
Now, the condiments and other palaman. We have soy sauce. Okay, wala yung brand kay bas wala ra ba yun sponsor.
I don't like
Sila kila soy sauce. Sunod,
Okay, bang ko na.
sweet chili sauce.
Expiry date?
Mas lami expiry. Kay sa video mas dagan views kung na magsuka na.
What?
Yeah.
Sunod, patis.
That's technically our pain, your success.
Yes.
That's technically our pain, your success.
Yes.
Patis. Ketchup
Ketchup,
and
liquid
Toyo.
seasoning. Hello, hindi ko nagbutang liquid seasoning.
Uh-oh.
But it's soy sauce, no? Panira na, no?
Yeah.
Soy sauce, hot sauce.
Uh-oh.
I think I can do that.
All around salsa.
Gravy.
It looks
Gravy,
like
like gravy.
It's gravy.
Or Mang Tomas.
Yeah, it's gravy.
Oh my god, I do not know.
We have a salad, sandwich spread,
That mayo.
salsa. Ding 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 ding.
Second may ketchup and more chunky.
Vinegar.
Vinegar.
That's
hot
spicy
vinegar.
vinegar.
Oh, ginamos.
Ginamos.
Almost.
Dun.
Almost.
Peanut butter.
Oh.
Margarine. Isa lang ka margarine. What do you want?
It's
the
sweet
yellow.
The
blend.
yellow. The
Is this
yellow.
The original.
Yellow.
The yellow. Okay.
I'm scared.
So, nakoy gi-print kani ang food natong kuan. So, kung kung isa,
Who's gonna
munay kita tanan mukaon na nga food. Kanya-kanya dayon tagbunot sa dip. For example, rice o rice tao na tanan.
Oh my God.
Tapos bunot na tag isa-isa nga dip.
Dip and what a ketchup.
Oh yeah. Okay? Ready?
Oh,
Me
egg.
first.
Okay, our first food is scrambled
Oh my goodness.
egg. Okay, I'll get one for the dip.
Uh-oh. I forgot about that.
Up, stop, do not watch, just get one.
Wow, eat. Then return it back.
Oh, then return it back after.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
2, 1, open.
Yes, ketchup.
Soy
Yay.
sauce.
My God, what's this?
B.
What is that?
margarine.
Sa tanan ako diri, ako okay problema pero sa tanan ako dili na ganahan patis. Ako ginabunot patis. Patis.
I got
what's
ketchup.
yours?
Ketchup.
Soy sauce. What's yours?
Come on, go.
Ginamos.
Oh my god, mine is patis. I hate patis.
Bigamay lang pati si Bahor.
Patis, what's yours? Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Ella is for soy sauce. Okay, so mine is Patis.
Well, I went after a great start.
I don't want patis.
Yak lain ko.
Ew.
Ew.
It's so droopy.
Yeah.
Then Ella, you.
Ah,
Wait, tubig ba? Please keep it.
ano ni? Parat ang egg o parat ang patis? Ang patis
No, the patis. The egg is great.
The egg and ginamos.
Wait, let me see. Egg, dayon, ginamos.
I already did.
Dip it.
Again.
Oy,
Where's the
oy,
fork?
naman kamera, dip it.
Where's the fork?
Dip it pa, hoy.
Fork.
Okay, there, ginamos and there,
Patay,
show
patay,
them.
I need
You do like that,
fork.
you do like that. Ano ba, salad ba? Oh. Then, yummy. Perfect. How's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, nice.
I just put it in my hands.
Rusty, Ella,
Ella?
soy sauce and egg.
Really?
Oh, so easy.
Because I don't like some soy sauce.
You like soy sauce, no?
Is it good?
Alright.
Me.
Yeah, so easy.
So easy.
I wonder if
Yung
he
favorite
likes
mo
it.
na ya, anything, tanan with ketchup.
With egg. This is my favorite one.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
Okay.
How does it taste? Haha, mommy.
Mami.
Margarine.
Margarine and egg, mami. Pakita, mami. Pakita.
Ew.
Alright, go.
Pero lami man siya. Kung mo siya sagot.
I like mine
Alright.
because
One,
I
two,
like
three, go.
toyo. Okay, put back your stuff.
Dami?
Normal
Sa'yo lasa.
pan.
Huh?
Wait, you have to wash these.
Next
It's
food
actually without the bread.
is...
It's the like margarine.
Wait, what's the
and
next
egg
food? What's the
without
next food?
Arne, o man ilabay na ning kuan kay man na may
Scramble.
scramble man na.
Okay, wala na. Ano pag
Wait.
Saging.
Wait, hold on. What's this?
There, put it there. Put it there. Put it there.
Saging.
Oh, no! Soggy.
Saging.
I'll pick the. It's actually not. I'll pick the topping.
Wait, sa. This is the toppings or the
I already got one. No. I bet I'll get you.
Oh, do not watch it, doy. Mami.
Uh-oh.
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 Ketchup.
Yeah.
Saging o ketchup?
That.
You put ketchup on that on your con.
Wait.
Say mo. Flavor is
Peanut butter.
peanut butter.
I've never tasted peanut butter.
Patis, Ella. So salty. How about you?
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour and you, mami.
Sweet and sour.
Saan ba?
Sweet chili sauce mo na.
Ay, sweet chili sauce. Ay, sweet chili sauce. Sweet and sour.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Oh.
Which is the
Okay,
most
give me the
delicious.
ketchup.
Okay.
Prefer saging and ketchup. I don't know what would be the
You got
taste.
ketchup?
It's delicious
Sabay, lami,
already. It's already delicious. Oh.
Yummy.
I'm scared.
Okay,
I'm
next.
scared.
Okay.
My turn.
Here is peanut butter.
Uh-oh.
Okay, okay.
How do you do it?
You have to finish all of it?
Just crunch.
There.
We have to finish all of it?
Yes.
Yeah, peanut butter.
There you go. You can eat it.
1, 2, 3, go.
All of it.
Come on.
All of it.
Wait, it's like kanang one of those.
Eat it.
Huwag ito.
You see?
We can drink water, right?
What's it?
No.
What's the taste? Weird?
After.
We can't drink water?
It tastes like kanang one of those biscuits from before.
Okay.
What you call it?
Ella, patis. Okay, you done?
Dip it again. Dip it, dip it.
Just dip lang.
Mommy, water I can swallow.
Dip it. Then, patis. Go.
It's a bite.
Ella, there you go.
Ella has a bite. Apple.
Yeah.
See, swallow it. You're a good
Swallow.
girl. Yes.
Good. Yes. Salty? A little bit salty?
Yes.
I don't know
But
what's
it's yummy.
sweet and
That's very good.
Yes.
if it's
Very
sweet,
good.
right?
Very good.
What is?
Oh my god. Oh my god. There you go, my girl. Dip it.
Daddy.
Gamaya raw yung sa
Hold,
mga.
hold, hold.
Hold ba? Ana ba?
Daddy.
Ana. Dip. Sa mga.
All of it. All of it.
Daddy!
Yeah. Alright, hold. Eat it.
Eat the whole thing.
Perfect.
Put it back
That's way
here.
by spicy.
Huh?
It's spicy.
That's what chili. Sweet
Sweet chili sauce man.
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. Yummy?
Sige ako gani.
Mommy is vinegar. Dali na kayo. There's the vinegar. Vinegar, that's your favorite.
More tayong kuan og kapayas.
So is this our dinner?
Ah, perfect.
Is this our dinner?
Enjoying so far? Yes!
Well,
Next
that was a
food.
great, yeah.
Next food.
Yeah, great start. One of my most
I want to
hated
choose.
foods.
Biscuit!
Which one? Pick one, pick one.
Lawas si Bernie. Lawas ni Bernie.
Lawas ni Bert.
Lawas. Na-agree ha mong isa. Lawas ni Bernie.
I want to get ketchup in this one. I want to try to get ketchup
I
in
need
this
ketchup in this one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Uy, do not watch, uy.
Be choosy.
Do not be choosy, uy.
Do not be choosy, Joseph.
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 1, 2, 3. Ketchup again!
Nabalik! Nabalik!
Sweet and sour.
Nabalik kasi chili sauce.
Also, daddy nabalik.
Soy sauce, okay.
Wow!
Ikaw, pabili ka nagkuha.
Wala pa nakuha.
Peanut butter. Salamat you.
Okay.
Soy
Soy
sauce.
sauce. Mine is ketchup
Ako
again.
ginamos.
Ginamos, mami. Okay.
Peanut
Bis-
butter again?
Biscuit with ketchup.
Wait, now this is the real biscuit with one of those biscuit with the peanut butter.
Yeah.
Oh, kami mo tab-
Mami!
I'll just bite.
Win
Wait, I want.
win
I'm
kayo.
gonna try. I'm gonna try too.
Win. Oy, oy, oy. Soy sauce and biscuit.
I wanna go ketchup.
Ella, show them. Show.
I already put.
Show it to
We
them.
finish that.
Huh?
Taste no.
You can't really see it.
Okay, go. Soy sauce and biscuit.
I'm gonna
How
try.
was it? Huh? Yummy. Were you speechless?
I won't be silent. Ew.
I hate this. Sweet and sour is just too spicy.
Okay mo. You know, babe?
Sweet
Chili
chili sauce.
Sweet chili sauce.
Biscuit.
Oi, ang sama ni. You close it. Spicy?
Oh.
Ha? Someone last tea.
Okay, my turn.
Yours. Peanut butter again.
Peanut butter again. Peanut
That's
butter
the
is your
usual
favorite.
man. Peanut butter and best biscuit.
Alright. Peanut butter show it then.
Wow!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's yummy.
If I get sweet and sour again.
Ah, yummy. Peanut butter. Ah. Next food!
Uy, dapat ko uy.
Ay, si Mami say mo.
Ginamos.
Ginamos and biscuit! Okay, Mami, go.
Oh, that's bad.
Okay, ginamos and
Kuwan
biscuit.
kayo, ay kalamansi.
Una.
How about for the final round, we'll do 2 condiments.
Okay na.
That's a good idea, right?
Next food. Graham.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
Graham.
oh yeah!
Don't, not sweet and sour again.
Uy, saan lang, uy. Don't cheat. Salsa.
I am margarine.
Salsa.
Woo! Ketchup! Gravy!
What's yours?
It's gravy!
Mang Tomas. Where's your Mang Tomas?
There!
So mine is so easy. Biscuit in salsa.
Oh, that's...
I got
That's
margarine.
perfect.
spicy. Ew.
I got margarine.
Oh.
Wait, fold it first.
It's
You-
salsa.
Muna maglain ang combination sa barang choco nga. Flavor. Pangkuan mo ka na pang chips, no?
Let's try gravy and...
Hot chocolate.
Okay, my turn.
Delish.
Oy mo ayos?
It's
Ketchup?
ketchup.
But that's not ketchup, that's salsa.
No, it's ketchup. Just my is just.
Oh, I got scared.
Sana all. I want to have ketchup all.
Looking forward for the rice.
Yes.
Yes, same.
Rice and margarine. Like what?
What? Rice and soy sauce.
Yours is the gravy.
Rice
Okay,
and
go. Oy, no,
sandwich
dip.
bread.
Gravy.
Daddy, rice
Wala
and
pa
sandwich
Wala
spread.
pa nagkuwag sandwich
Oh my
bread,
God.
no?
And go. Gravy. Here. That one.
What did Ella
This
get?
is yours, man.
What did Ella get?
Gravy.
Gravy.
How was it?
Does
It's
it
like
taste-
on the gravy from...
Speechless again.
It tastes like a cardboard. It tastes like a cardboard. Okay.
What, a cardboard? It's a cardboard.
You tasted cardboard before?
Yeah, when she was a kid.
What? Margarine?
Margarine.
Okay, go.
Triangle pag yun. Ay, do not spit it.
Mine is peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter jelly time.
I don't like peanut butter.
Tastes like bread. Like the normal bread and margarine. But it's like very crispy and chocolate.
Chocolate? What's chocolate? That's a
Chocolate.
new word, chocolate.
Wala ko gagawin ng presto.
Presto.
Oh, gali yan! That's so
Ah, nang murag may palaman na pinagbato ba na murag cookies. Alright, last two.
Yes. No.
Please.
Mango.
Yes!
Rice is last. Rice is last.
Wala ba gagawin?
Mangga ni siya nga kanang apple mango tapos margarine.
I got toyo.
Oh,
Hey, I'm getting this.
This is my first time eating mango.
Kanara. Yel di maklaro mangga o
Where's
margarine.
the soy sauce?
Wait sa.
You got soy
Ready?
Yeah, I got soy
sauce? I got
sauce.
soy sauce.
Ready?
It's sweet, right?
Sweet chili sauce.
Kuya! Daddy, daddy, daddy! What?
River has hot sauce.
Ano sa'yo mo?
I'm very excited for mine. Yeah.
Imagine
Dahil na
rice and peanut butter.
Bain ang combination sa kuan ba?
Si Ella, sa Ella. Sa'yo mo, Ella.
Oh, I need water.
What, Ella?
Ketchup!
Ketchup.
Oh, Ella, it's normal for you.
Okay, ketchup and
You like
mango is
mango, right?
Ella
go.
likes mango.
Go.
Wow, half again.
Wala siya nagtantrums rin, no? Hindi siya ganahan ka.
Done.
Yeah.
It's good.
I hate the mango.
What? You eat
You eat it.
It's so sweet!
Hey, you eat it.
Daddy, I have. Where's soy sauce? Oh my God, Raver.
Oh, here's the hot sauce.
I wonder if the...
Here's the hot sauce.
Like big dip?
Yeah, big dip.
Ella, oy.
Here.
Oh, shoot.
Alright.
Water.
Ready?
That's hot sauce.
That's hot sauce,
Ready?
man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
That you eat it all of it so that it will not go on your teeth. I mean your mouth.
Wala ko yun. Wala pa galit.
Hey, swallow. I mean, yun.
Okay.
It's hot?
Spit! Spit!
You eat it. You drink water. Buang.
Oh, see? Ano magkabo ng mangga? Wala mag... You buy 8, yan. Tunda ba?
It's spicy. Really?
Mm,
You need more water?
Why are you crying?
Stop. Are you
Okay.
crying?
Okay, come on!
Okay, next soy
Say mo,
sauce.
say mo,
Soy
say mo.
sauce and mango.
Oh, that is so nice.
Soy sauce. Manga. Soy sauce toyo ah.
This is my first time eating mango, so.
Mommy, water.
All of it.
You didn't know.
Ano ka na, no?
Ano mo giluwa man nimo?
No, I bite it and fell off.
Oh, di na ako. Ngayon kamay. More. Ano man na pag mahulog.
Oh, that's so good.
Dali.
It's actually a weird.
Kanami anang mangga o soy sauce?
Yeah.
Perfect combination.
Okay. Halang kayo?
Though I'm the game producer, I will take out soy sauce. Take out soy sauce.
Take up soy
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
What?
We will just remain the patis,
No.
hot sauce.
ginamos,
Hot sauce.
the hot sauce, and
Sweet chili.
no, the one spread.
No!
Alright.
Ang sa ito?
So kuan lang ta, ginamos, hot sauce, patis,
I think I'm gonna get ginamos or patis.
sandwich spread. Wala tasukan naka-testing og sandwich spread.
Yo.
Patis.
Rice, hot sauce.
Get your one.
Rice sandwich spread.
Wait, no,
Wait sa me first.
Daddy.
Hot sauce.
I thought that was ketchup. I'm so happy to get patis, yeah.
Go.
I'm gonna use
Lainan ng walay
the one
ulit ka
from
ng sudan nga rice lang.
No, just grab it with your hand. That's so big.
Yeah, that's okay. Just grab it lang, ano? Yours, Ella, is ginamos.
Raver has egg.
Ella. Ella ang ginamos. Rice ang ginamos. You can do it, Ella. There you go. So
This
brave.
looks satisfying.
1, 2, 3, go.
Add the butter.
It looks so
Ella is eating, hey.
It's
Ella,
it looks
nice.
concerning.
Hey.
It looks like white version
Huh?
of.
Ella,
Nice.
we'll see.
Nice ang ginamos, di ba? Nice? Love it? Perfect. Raver, what's yours, Raver?
I got ginam. Ayun.
Oh,
Patis. Okay, you dip the patis.
Everything.
Dip the patis or
Alright.
dip the rice?
Dip the rice to the patis. Okay, there you go. 1, 2, 3, go, Rayburn.
Ano, yung buong patis.
Rayburn, eat it. Wait sa ayo sa pag-drink, you taste it sa namnama. Kung sa'y lasa sa patis.
Taste the egg.
The egg.
Nice. Patis is nice, eh?
I'm just putting all the patis here.
Uh,
And then we would combine with the rice and then I'll just taste this with the egg in this.
Okay.
yours is me. You didn't camera.
Sandwich spread. This looks really concerning.
Okay, go.
Oh, teenage man.
Ew.
I want to eat egg now.
Yeah, me too.
And mommy is rice and peanut butter.
Oh my god.
Mommy peanut butter. Get
How
peanut
about now? You
butter.
can hear music.
Then
For us,
put rice.
it's
Ipata sa
just
camera. There, peanut butter and rice. Perfect.
Of course, the rice will be the last, and I wish I could have gotten the choice.
Right?
Okay, we're done.
Guys, muna yung resulta sa quarantine. Wala yun yung mabuhat ano yung wala kwenta.
Stupid stuff.
Thank you for watching, guys. Comment below kung namin gusto nga ipabuhat sa among family. Ay na lang pandato kay di mi Manny Pacquiao basig kansawan na po ninyo.
Choice all. Second.
Please comment below kung sa inyo gusto nga challenge with these kids. Say bye, kids. Bye.
Bye! We're so hungry.
Please like, subscribe, share this. Okay, bye.